Kamintri kabakhmi ya katanat kakot kakhya kakong amperin lingdo hakakat khandai terik rempang kalapintip bakampat shem ladon satya kanu ke jingterwa banwanra ya ka medical college hapo kathan Jaintia Hills ngakerman ba shisien kasngi ngin sayoi ya ka medical college hajawai ngamla ban pintikana ya kane ke jingkut jingmut namar kade kakam kabakrau shibun ong kakong amperin haba jubab ya ka jingkeli balawanra da unong mi khmat ka UDP na mukayaw uba Nujorki sungo da ka ba penpau ka jingbam sngo yahap ya ka jing penpau jong usungo baki jingtei ki bayadei bat ki jaka trekam ha ka kot kakhya kilong ki bambyang bat ki basniu shibun hapo kathan ka menteri kalaong ngisngau thu baki dan ki jing sngo khya halor ka ni ka benta ngasngau thu bangi dan kam ban bor henrei nga lalet jurip sha ki babuan ki hospital bat ni dan kam ban trei khambha bat kani kan urlong ha ki ni ki khendet banai bat snam ki banwan nalor kata kalau ongru bahsyen nakalyang ka sorkar kan sawanra ya kakor radiologi kabakat kum kani ka juk hapo jowai civil hospital usungo hababu jingkeli ha kakenta bu jingkeli hapo ka yeng dorbar assembly ulapan pau ka jingsong khya ha ka bayadei bat ki jingtei jong katanat kakot ka khya hapo kathan Jaintia Hills da ka baong kalong ka bambyang na dong shadong nalor kata ukenturu ya ka sorkar ba ka dei banwanra da ka primary health center PHC ha pasyar ka badan ha kathan khaput ka jilla haka jingsngau ka jong u kani kasnong kala developa banno asenyang ya ka jaka ka bahadu saw akar nang banla ban penurlong ya kania halor kania ka menteri kala pentikana bana kalyang ka sorkar kan simkhia halor ka dia ka jingterwa kani ka jingkerpat na ka benta ka pasyar kalawan na kalyang u MLA ula treshi tombha bat ngidang bishar benya bat kmi la ka pasyar ka dei ni em ban yo ya kania Syuk-syuk ka menteri kala bandru halor ka jingdan kamban pintikana ha ka baya dei bat ka jingbyang ha ka jingdon jong kinong trei ha ki babun ki jakat rekam balatei da ka sorkar ngidang khmi na ka benta ban pendap ya ki post na ka benta baro ki bakum kini ki jingtei kala ong syuk-syuk
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 5, sir. No, sir. The department has been improving the sources at district hospitals to provide all essential medical services at the district level.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, since the answer to my question is no. May I know, sir, what is the reason? Because as we all know that the health infrastructure in Jaintia Hills is very poor, so may I know, sir, from the Honorable Minister, what is the reason?
Sir, the establishment of a medical college as per the regulations of August 2023, sir, specifies that for a medical college with an intake of 50 MBBS seats, there should be a minimum of 220 hospital beds for the establishment of a medical college. So as per this stringent norm, likely, sir, at the moment, this cannot be done at Jaintia Hills. However, sir, things may open up in the future, but as of today, sir, we are looking at that.
One more question, sir. Whether the minister will agree, sir, that the health infrastructure in Jaintia Hills is in a very pathetic shape, sir?
I would disagree, sir.
Any further question? I beg to differ, sir, because being from Jaintia Hills, I've seen the present health infrastructure, sir. Most of the people, especially from the border area, they have to migrate all the way from Block 1 till Jawai, which is around 50 to 60 kilometers away. So even the present PHC, CHC that was there in different part of the district also, it's in a very poor condition. The medical equipment is not there. So,
What is your question, Pa?
I beg to disagree, sir, with what the minister has replied. So, I would like to urge upon the minister, sir, to kindly look into the matter and check, sir, whether her reply is right or wrong. At least come and visit the different PHCs, CHCs.
Minister.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I understand the concerns of the honorable member. Correct also for him to have this imagination. But let me just share with this August House today. So Jawai Civil Hospital alone averages about 4,900 OPDs per month. So MCH Hospital averages about 2,200 OPDs per month. IPDs are in Jawai Civil Hospital 900 and MCH 1,200 per month. We understand, sir, that there are these concerns. I have a list of exactly how many doctors are also engaged in all of these institutions of the government. I understand that we do need to put pressure to ensure we deliver. And honorable members should also be aware, sir, I have gone to so many hospitals in the hills alone. So it is incorrect to have that feeling. But yes, we need to pull our socks up. We are on the job. And we will do it, sir, in the coming months and years. Sir, our situation of the most critical situation of maternity care has improved substantially, sir, after the Safe Motherhood scheme of the Honorable Chief Minister. Institutional deliveries are improving. Facilities for pediatric and newborns is far increasing. We are pursuing matters of the 1,000 targets to ensure that every newborn up to 1,000 days gets the best of facilities. We have a lot of facilities in Jaintia Hills in total, sir. So I think that there is this aspiration. There is no harm, sir, to have an aspiration. And I can assure the honorable member and this August House, sir, that very shortly we are also now putting in advanced radiology services in Civil Hospital, Jawai. We will work hard, sir, and one day I hope that we will also see a medical college in Jawai or Jaintia Hills, but I cannot make that commitment because it's a huge commitment. So many criteria are there. If honorable member asks me specific questions, I will reply accordingly, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for the extensive reply. And I'm not saying that the government is not doing anything, sir. We are a part of government, and I've seen it, sir, that the government is doing whatever possible from their side. But the thing is that only Jawai, I think it's not sufficient, sir. My request is only to the Minister to kindly look into the different PHC, CHC, which is there in different part of Jaintia Hills. And moreover, sir, there's also a need to create a new sub-center, a new PHC and a new CHC in different part of Jaintia Hills. So that's why, sir, I would like to get an assurance from the Minister, sir. Will she kindly consider that if there is such a proposal to set up a PHC or a CHC, and like I've mentioned earlier, the PHC, which I've raised before, sir. So may I get an assurance sir, from the Honorable Minister whether she will kindly consider this proposal for setting up a PHC at Syllad, sir?
So the application has come to the department through proper channels, sir. Honorable MLA, I must commit here, is very diligent. He's working hard on this matter. We are now studying, evaluating. Certain norms are there, sir. So we will try to see whether Syllad will be eligible for this upgradation. And like I said, sir, we need to ensure when we do upgrade PHCs to the CHCs, firstly we must make sure, sir, that we first make necessary sanction on HR. So many of the buildings that I have gone to, sir, are there, but no HR. So I would like to correct this, take corrective measures. And just recently, sir, let me assure the Honourable Member and the House, we've had a very lengthy discussion with the Honourable Chief Minister, along with the Personnel and the Finance Department. We are working on sanctioning of all posts in at least buildings which are now already raised. I assure the Honourable Member, as far as Syllad is concerned, we will attend, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, just one more, sir. Just for the Honourable Minister to know, sir, with regard to the land, there's no issue in Syllad, because personally I've been there and I've inspected the land, and the land which is donated by the villagers, it is more than 4 acres, sir. Just for the information.
Noted, sir.